In the year of our Lord, 1149, when the king returned from the Holy Land, he knighted 6 great warriors who had carried him to victory over the infidels. The king granted power, wealth, and vast dominions to each of the heroes. When the knights departed from the king's palace, 5 rode to their new lands, but you, a Saxon, turned your horse toward Sherwood Forest.
My sword is at your disposal, my lord. These Normans will know the taste of fine Saxon steel.
Arriving in Sherwood Forest, you are greeted by your old friend Robin of Locksley. Many years have passed since you served with Robin and his men, but disastrous news curtails the reunion. During your journey, an assassin has taken the king's life. The kingdom is in chaos because there is no heir to the throne. Worse still, the crown itself has disappeared. Normans are assembling armies and Saxons will fight them. Each side accuses the other of killing the king and taking the crown. Robin tells you the struggle ahead is for younger men. Men like you, he says. Only you can save England. Robin urges you to raise an army and pledges his aid 3 times if you will seek to reunite the darkness of the kingdom. Ah, thus ends your day in the lists of Ashby. You were not champion, but your deeds will be remembered. Leaving for home, you vow to bring glory to your name.